This is the Unity Hybrid Admin Pocket Placard by Safe Life Defense. And it is fantastic for holding anything that you want. It features one large open pocket. It's large enough for a cell phone, notepads, and pretty much anything else that you would like. It has a side elastic retention, so everything stays nice and snug. There's also a front elastic loop that's great for mounting body cams and anything else that you'd like to place there. Now, this is a Zone A placard, which means that it's meant for the front upper portion of your vest. And installing it is quick and easy. If we turn over the placard, you'll notice 3 tabs. This is what is going to precisely hold this placard in place. On the left side, you always will find your model, that is the admin pocket, as well as the location, Zone A, and the size. If you need help understanding what size placard you need for your vest, you can refer to this simple chart. On the right side, you'll always find the US flag. That is because these are designed, developed, and 100% US made. To install this, we're going to align these tabs with the slots at the top of your vest. What I like to do is get each of the base of the tabs just slightly poking out of the bottom. This is because if you pull a tab all the way through on one side, it just gets a little bit askew, and while you can get it done, it makes it a bit more difficult, and I like making things nice and easy. Once you have all 3 tabs sticking out just a bit, we're going to pull each of these down to get them nice and snug. You don't have to pull on these very hard or yank them. It is not going to help you. Once we get these down all the way, I like to back it out just a hair. Now, the reason for that is to relieve any tension that you might have at the top, just making this look a bit better. Once that's done, the base of each tab is going to slide into the lower slot, which allows you to pull this nice and tight so everything is flush. You'll notice that Zone A placards have 2 retaining tabs. These are used to slide into the tabs just below them. And what that does is keep everything nice and flush and tight, so nothing will ever lift at the side. This isn't a patch, this is a placard. So it is meant to be a permanent part of your vest. Well, as permanent as you want it to be, because you can remove this and replace it at any time. This is the Admin Pocket Placard by Safe Life Defense.